my beautiful queens. Welcome back to Ageless Crown, the place where we prove that 50 isn't just a number, it's a crown. And honey, we wear it well. Now, before we get into today's video, I need you to do me a little favor. Look at yourself right now, yes, you, watching this screen, and say out loud, I am royalty. Go ahead, I'll wait. Good, because that energy, that's what we're bringing today. We're talking about one of the most powerful, affordable, and underrated beauty tools known to Black womanhood, Shea Butter. But here's the tea. You've probably been using it all wrong, and I'm about to give you 4 hacks that will change your skin, your edges, your confidence, and even your closet. Yes, I said closet. Stay with me, queen. Before we dive in, let me ask you something. How long have you had that jar of Shea Butter sitting in your bathroom cabinet? Be honest, I'll wait. Drop a comment and tell me, are you a Shea Butter devotee or is it gathering dust? I want to know. And while you're down there, do me a solid. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Because if you love tips that make you feel like the queen you are, this channel is your new home. We're building a community of ageless, unstoppable women right here, and I want you in it. So tap that red button, ring the bell, and let's get into it. Now, let's talk about why Shea Butter is your best friend after 50. You see, as we age, our skin changes. After menopause, our estrogen levels drop, and that means less collagen, less elasticity, and less natural oil production. Sound familiar, ladies? Your skin gets drier, thinner, and more prone to irritation. And don't get me started on the hair, thinning edges, breakage, and that stubborn dryness that no conditioner seems to fix. Enter Shea Butter. This glorious gift from the African shea tree is packed with vitamins A, E, and F, essential fatty acids, and cinnamaic acid, which is a fancy way of saying it's anti-inflammatory, deeply moisturizing, and absolutely divine for mature skin and hair. It soothes, it heals, it protects, and when you know how to use it the right way, honey, it's magic. But the key word here is hacks, not just slapping it on and hoping for the best. We're talking strategic, intentional, queen-level usage. So grab your jar, your notebook, or just your open mind, and let's get into my 4 favorite Shea Butter hacks. All right, let's start from the ground up. Hack number 1, the overnight foot mask. Listen to me, we Black women have beautiful feet, but we put it through it. Heels, flats, running around taking care of everyone else, standing in the kitchen for hours, and by the time we hit 50, our heels are crying for mercy. Rough, cracked, ashy, and no amount of lotion seems to fix. Here's the fix. You're going to take about 2 tablespoons of raw, unrefined shea butter, yes, the thick stuff, not the whipped kind, and melt it down just a little between your palms. Then add 3 to 4 drops of peppermint essential oil or tea tree oil. Mix it up until it's nice and creamy. Now, before you go to bed, give your feet a good wash, pat them dry, and slather that mixture all over your heels, your soles, between your toes. Go crazy. Then put on a pair of cozy cotton socks and sleep in them. That's it. When you wake up in the morning, queen, take those socks off and rub your heels. I promise you, they will feel like a baby's bottom, soft, smooth, and prepped for summer sandals or even just your favorite house slippers. Do this once a week and you'll never walk around with ashy heels again. And trust me, your husband or partner will notice, if you know what I mean. Now, if you're already doing this, comment down below and say, I'm a foot queen. And if you're not, tell me, what's your current foot routine? I want to know. Don't be shy. Okay, hack number 2 is for my queens who've been stressing over their edges. I see you. Menopause, hormonal changes, stress, tight styles from our younger years, it all catches up. And those edges can start to thin, recede, or just refuse to lay down without looking crusty or crunchy. I've been there, and I'm going to tell you right now, you are still beautiful. Thinning edges do not define you, but if you want a little help, Shea Butter is your answer. Here's the hack. Take a pea-sized amount of raw shea butter, just a pea, that's all you need, and warm it between your fingertips until it melts into an oil. Then add 1 drop of rosemary oil or peppermint oil. Both are great for stimulating hair follicles. Now gently massage that into your edges and any thinning spots along your hairline. Don't rub hard, be gentle. You're nurturing, not scrubbing. Leave it in overnight or even just a few hours. What happens? The shea butter moisturizes the scalp, reduces inflammation, and creates a healthy environment for hair to grow. And the best part? It lays your edges down without that crunchy, white, flaky look that gel gives you. It looks natural, soft, and healthy. I do this 3 times a week, and let me tell you, my edges have filled in and they lay like silk. It's not a miracle overnight, but give it 30 days and you'll see a difference. Consistency is key, queen. Raise your hand if you struggled with edges. I know I have. Drop a comment and say, edges, so we can support each other and share your favorite edge product too, because we all need recommendations. All right, hack number 3 is a game changer, especially for my queens who wear makeup. And yes, at 50 plus, we still wear makeup and we look gorgeous doing it. But our skin is thinner, more delicate, and the last thing we need is a harsh makeup remover that tugs, pulls, and dries out our under eyes. Here's what you do. Take a tiny amount of shea butter, literally the size of a grain of rice, and warm it between your fingertips until it's completely oil. Now, gently, and I mean gently, massage it over your closed eyelids, your lashes, and under your eyes. Let it sit for about 30 seconds. Then take a soft, damp washcloth and wipe it all away. Queen, it will melt away waterproof mascara, eyeliner, and even long-wear foundation without tugging. No rubbing, no burning, no leftover raccoon eyes. And because shea butter is packed with fatty acids and vitamins, it's simultaneously moisturizing that delicate under-eye area. You're not just removing makeup, you're preventing fine lines, soothing puffiness, and nourishing your skin in all one step. That's especially important for us melanin-rich women because we're prone to hyperpigmentation around the eyes. Shea butter helps fade dark circles and even out skin tone over time, so you get cleaner skin, brighter under eyes, and fewer wrinkles. That's a triple win, honey. Now, if you thought shea butter was just for dry elbows, girl, you are sleeping on gold. Drop a comment and say, I learned something if this was new to you. And if you already do this, say, oldie but goldie. Let's see who's ahead of the game. Okay, I know you thought this was a beauty video, and it is, but hack number 4 is about to save your favorite dress, your boots, and your handbag. You ready? Hack number 4, invisible zipper glide. Yes, shea butter fixes sticky zippers. You know the struggle. You have that gorgeous dress that fits you like a dream, but the side zipper gets stuck halfway up. Or your favorite knee-high boots have a zipper that just won't budge. Or your handbag zipper is catching and making that awful grinding noise, and you're about to give up on that piece altogether. Don't. Here's the hack. Take a tiny, and I mean tiny, dab of shea butter on your fingertip and rub it directly along the teeth of the zipper. Not the fabric, just the teeth. Then gently work the zipper up and down a few times. Honey, it will glide like butter. Pun absolutely intended. The shea butter lubricates the metal or plastic teeth, reduces friction, and protects the zipper from rusting. And because it's natural, it won't stain your clothes or leave greasy marks like oil or Vaseline can. It's literally a fashion lifesaver. I cannot tell you how many pieces I've rescued with this hack. That vintage dress you've been hiding in the back of your closet? Bring it out. Those beautiful boots that hurt your hands to zip? Fixed. That designer handbag you spent good money on? Smooth as silk. Now let me ask you something. How many of you have a stuck zipper right now? I know you do. Drop a comment and tell me what piece of clothing you're going to rescue with this hack. I want to see if it's a dress, boots, or a bag. Go ahead, tell me. Now, queens, I want to take a moment to speak to you directly. If you're watching this, you are a woman of grace, wisdom, and beauty. You've navigated careers, families, changes, losses, and triumphs. You've survived things that would have broken other women. And you're still here, still glowing, still learning, still showing up, not just for everyone else, but for you. And that is why I created Ageless Crown. Because I believe that after 50, we're not fading, we're flourishing. We're not invisible, we're undeniable. And we deserve to feel beautiful, confident, and seen. Not because we're trying to look 30 again, but because we love the woman we've become. And she is exquisite. So here's what I need from you today. Not just for me, for yourself. Number 1, if this video taught you something new, hit that like button. And not just a quick tap, really mean it. Like it because you're investing in yourself, because you're saying, I matter every time you engage with content that lifts you up. Number 2, comment. Below, tell me which hack you're trying first. Feet, edges, makeup removal, or zippers. Or tell me your own Shea Butter hack. I genuinely want to know. I read every single comment and I respond. This is a community, not a monologue. Number 3, subscribe. If you haven't already, tap that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video, because I have so much more coming. Hair, skincare, styling, mindset, and everything else that helps you wear your crown with confidence. We're growing this Ageless Crown family, and I want you at the table. And finally, share this video with a sister friend who needs to hear it. Text it to her, tag her in the comments, send it in your group chat, because we rise by lifting each other up. And that's what queens do. Thank you for spending this time with me. Go try these hacks, and don't forget to come back and tell me how they worked. I'm so proud of you, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, keep your head high, your crown straight, and your Shea Butter close. Crowned up, queens. I'll see you next time.